It's early March, and we're having a dual battery installed in the Amarok. Roll the intro. Today sees us at the first outdoor and 4x4. We were welcomed with a fresh cup of coffee. The guys at First Outdoor start by running the 16mm square wire under and into the vehicle. Johan, the owner of First Outdoor and 4x4, and I test the solar panel and check that the solar regulator is working correctly with the dual battery. This specific Victron energy unit can be used with Bluetooth. While Johan and I are busy, the First Outdoor and 4x4 guys continue to mock up the install and finish up the cabling. They install a fail-safe fuse as close to the vehicle's battery as possible. All the cables are crimped and heat shrink before being connected or inserted into the Brad Harrison plugs. As extra protection, all exposed wire is put into a wire wrap and tucked away neatly under the sill of the tub. While the work continues in the back, the guys are finishing up the install in the engine bay. They terminate the wiring for the electromechanical solenoid and install the wiring for the battery monitoring system inside the vehicle. In the cab, the wire is fed through the firewall and under the dashboard to where it's visible and accessible. The rear taillight is removed to allow the guys to mount the Brad Harrison to the tub. The only thing that remains is to terminate the connection wires of the fuel battery and to connect it to the rest of the system. Subscribe to the channel to stay tuned as we integrate the battery into the rest of the build. We'll be doing a full depth review of the system. If you have questions, post them in the comment section below and remember to check out our social media.